Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u square, we have 2u du. First derivative of x to the power of 3, we have 3x squared. This one, that is about the constant. So if we do first derivative of this one, you got about 0. And I will put about the x. This one we change by u. 3x squared dx we change by 2u du. U and u, we have u squared. The integration of u squared, we have u to the power of 3 over 3. And then I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.